Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Memorial Weekend's coming up, so we better give the tow truck a once-over before its big weekend. Looks like my windshield needs to be cleaned. It's Memorial Weekend. It's our big event. One of the largest ones in the Midwest. Yeah, that's right. Blondie still doesn't have her tires. We ordered the shims, 8 of them. They're supposed to be here Friday. Well, the first thing we got to do is we got to check all the fluid levels. And we'll start out with the brakes, because that brake light is kind of annoying. Yeah, it's a little low in the front again. That's master cylinder is made for drum brakes in the rear. That's why it has a small reservoir for the rear brakes. As the pads wear, the fluid gets down a little bit, and then we're on the hills. You can actually suck air into the rear brakes. So we'll top that off. Oh, would you look at that? We're missing a hydraulic pump belt. There's only one on there. We spit the other one off. Looks like we'll have to get a pair of those. They aren't that old either. Check our coolant. That's pretty good. We checked our oil level. We checked our training fluid. That's good. Our power steering's down a little bit. That leaks. We got to fix that one of these days when we get time. But everything else looks pretty good. I suppose we should probably tighten up the headers again. Which reminds me, we should probably check them shackle bolts. Incidentally, that's why my headers loosen up. It's because the shackle twists and hits the header. Oh, look at that. That one's bent. But the bolts look okay. Nevertheless, we should probably pick up more spares. Looks like our hydraulic tank's holding in there pretty good. Looks like those shackle bolts are holding up okay. Well, all in all, not too bad. All the U-joints are good. Looks like we just need to do the belts and tighten up our headers. I think that'll do it. We got our belts for the wrecker. Had to order them in. I'm on my way home from work now. We'll go put them in. Okay, we got the belts, but we also got something else today. We got the new clutch for the lawnmower, and the lawn needs to be mowed. So we're gonna put that on. You know what to do to take it off. Yeah. I'm gonna take that bolt out and then the 4 around it.
Yeah.
So, for those of you who are questioning my ability here to diagnose this machine, yes, we diagnosed it electrically. We have the belts off, so there's nothing that the clutch is driving right now other than just itself. So I know it's the clutch that's the problem. And yes, I set the air gap on the clutch.
I think I made a man's night really bad tonight.
Why is that?
Because when we were coming through Forest Lake, I stopped at Holiday so I could go to the bathroom and I can let Jimmy go to the bathroom, and he was about to back up and I rolled down my window because I noticed something on his truck. And I said, "Sir, not to be rude or anything, but do you know you have a flat tire on the rear of your back truck, on your back?" He's like, "What?" I said, "Yeah, it's pretty low." He's like, "I just bought these tires and these are brand new rims. I live in Scandia." I said, "I don't know what to tell you. I just thought you might want to know." And he gets out and he goes, "Just my luck." I was like, I could have been rude and not told you.
Yeah.
I mean,
And he could have destroyed it on the road.
you're right. I was just like, okay, sorry. Next time I'll just shut my mouth. Oh, I ain't doing my head.
Okay.
Oh, this comes with zip ties. You know what zip ties are used for?
Yeah. Okay, gotta peel the sticker off the back.
Yep. Yeah, it's this. Oh. Okay. Warning. Use a torque wrench. No impact gun. Check system voltage. Incorrect volt torque.
Yep. How far is it on?
It was.
Oh, yep.
That keeps moving on me. So what does that mean? We couldn't get it to move before.
Okay. It's not quite on all the way.
Oh.
Want me to get it?
No. I'm not gonna try to break it. No. Oh. I'm not gonna try to break it.
Okay, now we gotta set the clutch. Still way too big. All right, our clutch is adjusted. Our belts are not on. So the only thing that's there is the clutch itself. And it's plugged in. Let's give it a try. Okay. What? Nothing. Battery's dead. Well, that does it. I give up on this, at least for now. We'll go back to something a little simpler, like putting the belts on the wrecker. Okay. Let's see how that looks. See that? They're running too close to the outside of the idler pulley. Well, we'll see if a shim will take care of that. Well, I think that'll hang in there, leastwise until we go wide open throttle. This weekend will probably tell us. We're heading down for the last work weekend before Memorial Weekend down in Dresser. You know, if you're around the area, we'll be down there Memorial Weekend. We'll have our booth set up, selling merchandise. You can come and see the wrecker. Hopefully you can come and see Blondie, and you can come and see the Snowcat if you want to. It'll be a good time. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. You want to go outside.